Step into the captivating world of creativity and imagination with the Magic Fingers Art, Craft and Activities book series. Magic Fingers has been designed with dedication and passion for all grades, from nursery to 8th. All of the books are aligned with the latest NEP 2020 guidelines and NCFFS 2022. This series opens the door to boundless artistic adventures that nurture talents, ignite curiosity, and inspire immeasurable joy. Your child will embark on an enchanting journey of self-expression and exploration, discovering the magic within colors, textures, shapes, and forms. Magic Fingers isn't just a book, but a treasury of engaging activities that weave learning into play. From coloring to tracing, cotton pasting to origami mazes, tear and paste sheets to modern craft sheets, and the delightful art of motif pasting, all this has been thoughtfully selected and crafted material that comes with the Magic Fingers book in a separate pouch. Each spread is guided by thoughtful teachers' guidelines and learning objectives, providing a holistic learning experience that goes beyond the hands-on activities. To open the door to learning more, little gems of knowledge are tucked under the "Did you know?" captions to inculcate curiosity. Magic Fingers aims to sow seeds of pride and encourage students to think beyond boundaries, embrace their uniqueness, and immerse themselves in a world brimming with infinite possibilities. This series has next-generation, revolutionary digital capabilities. Let's look at each of the mesmerizing features that give each child a unique experience, one of its kind. The Magic Fingers series takes the child by surprise with the amazing and fascinating augmented reality technology that turns drawings into captivating, dynamic 3D scenes. Scan the page marked with the AR-enabled page logo using the Magic Fingers mobile app. It shows an immersive animated 3D augmented reality scene and brings fascination to the real world. This means that the drawing can suddenly transform into a lively, multi-dimensional 3D masterpiece, offering the opportunity for exploration from all perspectives. The Magic Fingers series goes beyond mere coloring and drawing. Students can follow the simple steps and learn the art through craft tutorial videos, which can easily be accessed through the QR codes within the book, enhancing the learning process. We firmly believe that creativity knows no limits, and Magic Fingers holds the key to unlocking your child's boundless imagination. Let those fingers dance across the pages, infusing magic with every stroke. Happy crafting and creating.